They're still circling. They've been circling for a long time now. Like, I was taking photos the first few times, and now I had to turn the video on just so I can catch them. Because this is odd. I've never seen them do this. Flamingos. I've never seen this many this far north. This is crazy. I wonder what's going on because they're acting really strange. Wish my camera would focus. They're just circling, like they can't figure out where they're at. Or they don't know where they're going. I've never seen flamingos do that this far north. I've just seen them go from south to north and north to south. And then just 4 or 5 in a group. Until yesterday when we seen 10, 7. And now this third flock, and this flock is lost. They can't find the 2 flocks that went before them, I guess.
Why would flamingos be going in circles for long periods of time?
This is crazy.
Why would flamingos fly in a circle high up in the air for long periods of time?
Here's some information on why flamingos have long legs.
Why do flamingos fly in circles?
I can't find them now.